Good morning all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your Tuesday morning flash video, and this is for July 7th, 2020, about 9:25 a.m. Central Time. As usual, the NASDAQ leading the market and stocks to the upside, others falling back on it. And the reason is, the question is, are they just being dragged along? We know what's going on with the tech stocks. We know that there's 10 stocks or so that really make up what's going on there, but they're the ones that count. When you take a look at what's going on in the energies, you're getting a good bid today in the nat gas. We're in Chicago. We're going to be near 100 degrees today. Last night, my air's out, so I know all too well. We didn't get under 80 degrees in the city, and now we're pushing again. And the high 80s going to be in the 90s before I know what's going on. Time to go out and get a portable air conditioner, which I'm going to do. The bonds and notes, well, as you can see, a little bit of a bid, probably off the decline we're getting here. Dollar index, if we take a look, a little bit of a rally coming in at the expense of some of the other currencies. The question is whether this is a long-awaited bounce. And the gold market doing better even with the dollar rallying. So the question is, in gold, it keeps waffling back and forth, trying to lose the embedded reading. Is it going to keep it? That's going to be a big question for today. Now, when I take a look at the economic data, the Red Book sales, they all stunk, be it the ICSC, be it the Red Book sales. If you take a look for the first weeks of June, they were not good at all. So with all that pent-up demand, you'd have thought they did better. They didn't. I know in Chicago, it's the fashion boutiques that are lined up and people out on the street waiting to get in. Yet you go to a Macy's, there's nobody there. It's very, very interesting as to what it is. I wonder how much of that money being spent in those fashion boutiques are coming, unfortunately, from PPP programs and so on. I just have my own feeling. In Canada, the Ivy Purchasing Manager PMI came out at 62.9 unadjusted, 58.2 adjusted, probably getting on its feet, and that's about all that you can say about it. But an interesting day, not a lot of economic news today either. Now, one of the things when you get a market like this, and you are in these summer markets right now, you start looking at other tools that might give you an edge for if you're an in and out trader as to what that means. And I think one of the most popular, and I've used it for decades, has been a pivot point. I created a 3-part series. It's free, a video series on number one, what it's about, understanding the formula of it, which is simple. Your charting software is going to do it. You probably don't have to do anything. Then I walk you through and explain to you in detail how this works and the ideas behind it, show you how to plot it on your chart, and then I take you to the next step, which is actually applying it, using it, but with an oscillator of momentum. When I put the oscillator of momentum on it, I'm looking for the market to get down to the support points, possibly for a bounce in the market, get a rally in the market. I'm looking for the sell numbers to come back, so on and so forth. I teach you how to do that and all that. All you need to do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com, and when you're there, just go to the free offerings. You'll see everything we offer. Take advantage of it. I'm Ira. You have a great day, and I'll see you this afternoon with our end of the day market wrap-ups.